Hello everyone, my name is Christina and this is Pick Up Vietnamese. In today's lessons, we're going to learn how to order the food at a restaurant. Gọi món ở nhà hàng. So gọi món is order. Ở means in. Nhà hàng is restaurant. So one more time. Gọi món ở nhà hàng. First thing first, you're going to need the structure for ordering. There will be 3 parts into this structure. Number 1, cho, I'd like. The second part will be the pronoun that you use to refer yourself to the waiter or the waitress. There will be 3 most popular pronouns that you might want to know. The first one, you can use it if the waiter or the waitress is 20 or 30 years older than you. Con. The second pronoun is em. You can use it if you think the server is just a little bit older than you. One more time. Em. And the last one is the most neutral one. Tôi. So we put the 2 parts we just learned together. We will have cho con, cho em, and cho tôi. So the last part of the structure, of course, will be the food and the drinks. Let's start with the food first. Number 1, phở. I believe that some of you have heard of the word phở before. For those who haven't, phở is a Vietnamese traditional soup, noodle soup with chicken, beef, and fresh herbs. So the thing is that a lot of foreigners pronounce this word not correct by saying pho. So what you want to do is to make an sound, not o. So you're gonna have pho, and then with the tone we have phở. So don't forget phở. So the marker for phở will be tô, a bowl. Một tô phở, a bowl of phở. Cho tôi một tô phở. I'd like a bowl of phở. Number 2, bún bò. Bún bò is another popular noodles of Vietnam. Bún bò is originated in Huế, a former capital of Vietnam, and these days it becomes one of the best choices for breakfast. And here's how it goes. If you want to order a bowl of bún bò, cho tôi một tô bún bò. Did you remember what tô is? Yes, it is a bowl. Cho tôi một tô bún bò. I like a bowl of bún bò. Number 3, cơm tấm. So cơm tấm is broken rice. There are 4 most popular accompanying food that usually goes with cơm tấm. They are sườn, grilled pork chops, bì, shredded pork skin, chả, egg meatloaf, trứng, eggs, fried eggs. Please comment down below to let me know which of the 4 is your favorite. Sườn, bì, chả, or trứng. And the marker for cơm tấm is dĩa or đĩa. So we're gonna say một dĩa cơm tấm or một đĩa cơm tấm. So let's start to order. Cho tôi một dĩa cơm tấm. Cho em một dĩa cơm tấm. So that's it. Let's review the 3 kinds of food that we just learned. Number 1, phở. Number 2, bún bò. And number 3, cơm tấm. Now let's move to the drinks. The first drink will be cà phê, coffee. Một ly cà phê, a glass of coffee. Một tách cà phê, a cup of coffee. So because coffee in Vietnam is usually served in a glass, so it is more popular and natural to say một ly cà phê. Don't forget it. Ly is a glass. Cup is a cup. Number 2. Sữa. Sữa. Sữa means milk. Một ly sữa. A glass of milk. Let's go to the last one. Number 3. Beer. Beer. It is beer. Một lon beer. A can of beer. Một lon beer Heineken. A can of Heineken beer. So, let's order. Cho tôi một lon bia Heineken. Cho em một lon bia Sài Gòn. So let's review the 3 kinds of drinks that we just learned. Coffee, cà phê, milk, sữa, beer, beer, without the R sound. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you know how to order the food and the drinks now. Please like and subscribe so I can see you in the next video of Pick Up Vietnamese. See you guys soon. Hẹn gặp lại mọi người.